All right. Oh, that's weird. That one's, Let's see here. Trying to get this thing unlocked. No, none of these are working. No, none. Huh. Well, luckily I got this thing. Alright everybody, we're here with the Chevy Tahoe, and I am about to show you a mod that I just got in the mail, and it is something that I've been wanting for a really long time, and in my opinion it is pretty much the best mod you can get for pretty much any GM car from 2000 to 2007. It is a very worthy upgrade, and let's check it out. This is only what I've kept over the years. I'm sure there's probably about another 30 that I've thrown away or lost. But all of these, if you're a Chevy truck guy, an old one, you'll know exactly what this is. This is the remote that comes with it, and they are terrible. It's old, so you got to give them credit where it's due. But, well, it's not due anywhere. They suck. But they always break. It's usually because a piece of solder here for the battery comes apart, no longer making connection, and it doesn't work. Regardless, they suck. They always break. And there's no reason to buy a new one of these when you can buy Boost Auto Parts new style key fob. This thing is super sweet. As you can see, it's got the logo there and everything. This is something, like I said, if you own one of these trucks from 2000 to 2007, any of this old GM style with this type of style, it is something that you have to buy it right now. Click on it, buy it. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever, but it's something that it's just super cool for the price point as well. I think it was to my door for $42. Something that you use every single day when you're driving the car, unlocking it, locking it. And as you can see, these obviously aren't gonna work at all, so I've been having to put the key in the door every time, and that sucks. But as you can see, this one's programmed right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to program it, but as you can see how it works. Obviously, there's lock, unlock, works perfectly. Also, let me know down below what you guys think of Tahoe content. I want to do more things to it. Hopefully in the next few days my speakers are going to get here for this, and we're going to do a whole stereo upgrade on this thing, and I just have a lot of things planned for this, so just let me know what you guys think about this type of content. Alright, so now we are in the Tahoe, and I'm going to show you how to program it. It's really, really simple, but I'm going to show you anyway. So, like I said, mine's already programmed, but I'm just going to reprogram it again so you guys know how to do it. So, and by the way, for this setup, you use your own key. You don't get a key with this, but you can buy a key off Amazon if you don't have one, and it's about $6, I think. And you can just get it made anywhere as long as it's not chipped. So now we're here, and I'm going to show you how to actually program it. So first, what you want to do is you want to grab your key, and you want to just put it in there, and you do not want to turn it. Just leave it in there. Then you want to hold the unlock button. And as you're holding the unlock button down, you want to cycle the key twice. On, off, and then you let go. And you hear that click. It clicks 2 times. And when it clicks 2 times, now you're in programming mode. Okay, so after you hear those 2 clicks, now you're in programming mode. So what you want to actually do is you want to grab the key fob itself, and then you hold down the lock and unlock button, and you only have to hold it down for about 15 to 30 seconds. So let's do that. Okay, so there you go. You heard that noise. This time it took longer than last time. It was about 30 seconds, I'd say. And as you can see, you heard that double lock again, which is what happened when you held it down the first time. It's that same noise, and now it's completely programmed. Overall build quality on this thing is super, super nice. I recommend anybody buy this. I just wanted to show you guys because it's a shorter video than I usually do, but I just love this thing. It's something so simple, but the fact that I skipped on buying this so many times and I didn't do it is pretty dumb. It looks a lot better than the old one. It's a lot more reliable than these things are. You can actually use the lock and unlock, and it works without having to press this a million times. This thing's built really well, as you can see. Don't need that anymore. We got this one. But I'm happy to show you guys this. I hope a lot of people are going to like this, especially because this isn't a mod that breaks the bank. Like I said, it was only about $50. It's simple to do, simple to program. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, you need help down below, just let me know. But other than that,
nice build quality. I also, before I let you guys go, I didn't do a review on this like the day I bought it, just because I like to test stuff out before I review it. And although I haven't had it for like a year, I've had it for a few weeks, like about a month now, and I'm pretty rough on my stuff. I'm using stuff, throwing my keys around, whatever, and it's been on my key, like my whole set of keys usually, and it's held up really, really nice, the finish and everything, and obviously it works perfectly fine. That's going to be it for this video though, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, like I said, just let me know down below. And besides that, we're going to catch you on the next video. So thank you, and peace.